the eclipse is upon us. We have been having a lot of fun putting together all sorts of fun little eclipse, you know, dishes and drinks. So this is our Totalitini. We live right near the line of Totality. So we've got some bourbon. This is a 3-berry puree syrup. So I pureed the berries, strained the berries, and then cooked them down with a little bit of sugar. And then we're gonna be topping with a little bit of a berry soda water just to kind of thin it out a little bit. This is definitely a teeny. It is strong, so it's a sipper. And then the fun part is that we made our suns out of orange juice, as every good parent does. So that is our sun, and then to simulate the eclipse where the moon covers the sun in darkness, we have this delicious cocktail. Voila! Enjoy!